Stop scrolling. What if I told you that the gateway to justice is secretly controlled by invisible strings, pulled by a network of deeply entrenched players? This is not paranoia. This is the grim reality for countless human rights victims. Welcome to another episode of Corruption Unveiled, exposing judicial collusion. Today, we dive deep into the chilling nexus of abuse of office, judicial misconduct, and systemic collusion. Imagine this. You're a regular citizen, believing that the courts exist for fairness, that law enforcement serves public safety, and that mental health professionals uphold ethical standards. But what happens when these pillars of society conspire against one person? What happens when they become chess pieces in a harrowing game designed to ruin lives? Picture this. A victim brings forth a legitimate case seeking justice. Soon thereafter, subtle and deliberate delays begin to occur. Magistrates dismiss crucial evidence as inadmissible. Media outlets smear the victim's reputation with coordinated narratives. Lawyers, who are sworn to advocate for justice, intentionally botch essential arguments. Mental health professionals provide biased evaluations, labeling the victim as unstable while slithering so-called competing interests manipulate the background chaos. The victim is now up against a potent machine, engineered to silence opposition and maintain its stranglehold on power. Why? The short answer: to serve agendas, protect vested interests, or eliminate threats to their carefully constructed power structures. Why is this so dangerous? Because collusion doesn't just steal justice, it manufactures false realities. Judicial rulings become weapons. Mental health diagnoses become cages. Media campaigns write damning narratives without a shred of truth. It's not simply justice denied, it's identity erased, financial ruin imposed, and families shattered. It's harm on an irreparable scale that the system pretends does not exist. What can you do? Step 1. Awareness. The more you understand the mechanisms of such deceit, the harder it becomes for these systems to operate without scrutiny. Step 2. Share and amplify. Spread this video to open eyes and ignite discussions. Step 3. Advocate for transparency and systemic reform. With community action, the hidden puppet strings lose their grip. It's time to expose the puppet master